Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this card. It's a little bit different to what I normally make. It's got no flowers on for one, but I did want to have had an order for a black and white card, a butterfly black and white card, so that's what we're going to make today. I'm going to quickly show you how I decorated one of these. Really, I've done a few of them, so you just have to like draw black and white shapes of what you like. So I've done a few there ready for my next card. Okay, so we'll go through making one now. So I used just a black marker, fine tip marker. Just take that off Bubba the bulldog, otherwise he will eat it. So first of all, I like to just colour the outside and the perimeter of the butterfly black, just nice and fine. As it shows, because it's going on white paper, so then the edges don't blend into the white paper. It makes it help stand out a little bit better. You could make any shape. You do coloured butterflies. You do what you want to do. But I just thought I'd go through this black and white one. So for instance, we'll go through different lines on this one on different angles. It looks quite nice, black and white. Yeah, a lady asked me to, she said, oh, my daughter likes butterflies and can it be black and white? So I thought, I do like making my flower cards, don't get me wrong, I do. But I haven't done anything different. So this would be a nice change for me to have a go at. Okay. You could have left it plain stripy like that, but I think it looks nice as well when you colour the lines in. If you can hear snuffling and everything, it's the bulldog again. Every time I get to film, he starts with his burping and his farting and his gasping and everything else. Before I get to film, he's lying there quiet. Bubba! Bubba! Nobody wants to hear you snorting. So, yeah. If you find this bit boring, just press fast forward on your... Press the fast forward button and it will forward it faster for you. some people, when I've edited things out, they're like, oh no, we want to see you do it all. So I have to edit some out or pre-do some of it, otherwise the card would be 5 weeks long. So yeah, that's one butterfly. I'm going to put a little gem in the middle, so I don't need to do anything there. So I've pre-done these 3 butterflies ready for the card, and that one can go inside. Okay, so put them to the one side for now, and let's grab the card. This card I've done here is all black and white for the lady, but I thought we'd do red and black for this one, just to change it up a bit, because I don't want exactly all the same. So let's show you what I've prepared so far. So just the basic card, and then I've put the inside bits in. So the first bit we're going to do is I've put sticky, double-sided sticky tape all on. First of all, I see where it's going on the paper. Have you ever laid it down and then when you've laid it flat, it's wonky one end? I do it all the time. I don't measure with a ruler, I do it by eye. So what I do now is I get a little fine pencil and I mark it just when those corners are going to be, and then I flip that over the other side and I do an arrow down, so that piece of paper is going down, so you don't get them mixed up and go either way, because you've already seen that with your eye, you know it's going to work. So peel your sticky bits off. I use double-sided tape a lot. When I used to use it before, and like I say, I used to think, because there's no leeway for moving it around, once it's stuck down, it's stuck. I just couldn't get used to it. But now, when I've done this little hack, so you've got 2, you won't be able to see on camera, but there's 2 fine little pencil marks there I can see. So put your corners down onto your pencil marks like so. Press down like that. And it's still gone wonky. This is what does my head in. So no problem. All you do is then, not very often, that's why I showed it you, not very often does it go wonky. But hey ho, when I'm filming, it goes wonky. Fabulous. So just cut your little bits off like that. See, a little bit too wide on that one there, so let's cut that bit off. There we go. So this bit is now ready to place there. I've put my sticky pads on already. I've showed you in other videos that I like to strengthen it with cardboard. So that gives it lots of strength there. So let's have a look where we're going. So, yeah, press that down. Move that one out the way a minute. And I've got this one sorted now. So that's going to go in the middle like that. So, again, I've already put my sticky back plastic on. So again, have a look where you're going. Yeah. And then I put a little arrow going down. And let's hope this one goes on okay. You watch, because I'm filming now, go on wonky again. But I promise you, 9 times out of 10, they do go on spot on. So I always get my 2 corners down first, where I'm happy with it. Press that bit on and then lay it down. So it's a little bit on that one corner, so just any little bits that you're not happy with, you can trim off. There we go. So again, pop this. Bubba, have you heard yourself? You sound like 100-year-old bloke. So again, pop that in the middle where you want that. And then we're going to put the butterflies down first. So get your glue gun. In the middle. A little bit more gap there between them two, but it's alright. Looks pretty. So lift the butterfly wings up a little bit. Yeah, that looks pretty. Okay, now we're going to do the pick what sentiment, because I haven't done a sentiment yet, so I want quite a straight one, I think. To go there. Yeah, that looks pretty. Have I got any more straight ones? Yes, I've got a straighter one there. So a look. Yeah, that one's better. So we shall use that one today. Okay, let's get the ink and my stamp. Have an awesome day on this stamp. I like this one. It prints nice and clear. There we go. Pop that back. That looks nice. And then we'll pop that in the middle just like that. A little bit of glue. And a glue gun. And then stick that down. And then inside we're going to put the little gem on the butterfly. So let's move that up a little bit so we're in the middle. There you go. Little bit of glue in the middle of the butterfly. Little gem there. And then we'll put the nice fancy piece of nice writing part. I like to leave mine plain. I don't like to put any stamping or any, no, what word am I using? You know, verses or anything like that. Mine are all plain. So I normally just leave a little bit of plain white paper, just so people can then put their to's and froms and love yous and all that. So pop a little bit. This is the butterfly we did right at the beginning. So do it on an angle, yeah, like that. I like that one on an angle. So pop that one down like that. And then on this card, I put little diamantes on the corners as well, but I'm not sure what they were. I've got them ready, but I'm not sure what they would look like. Oh, yeah, well, no, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I like them without or with. We'll put them on. We shall put them on. Have we got another one? Yes, this fell off my table. So let's put a tiny bit of glue on there. Tell you what this reminds me of. Minnie Mouse. Don't know why, but I think it's her colours, isn't it? The red and white spots. So, yeah, that looks nice now it's done. This pen, I'm not sure if I showed you before. It's a crystal picker-upper. I make words up as I go along, don't I? But it's like a wax tip, and you can pick little gems up, and really easy. And then it doesn't leave a residue on there. So just let me stand my glue gun. Move my scissors. But yeah, that looks pretty. I don't think I've forgotten anything. Yeah, oh yeah, when you're done, I think I've done that already. Just bend the wings up a little bit more, so they're a bit more 3D. And get rid of any glue strings that you've got, which there's always glue strings. You could as well, by the look of it as well, put a couple of gems on there as well. I'm just checking to see whether I like it first, because too many gems sometimes on a plainer card. I do like it, but I don't want the 4 on there. I don't know whether just to see it won't come off now, but to put it there and there. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Put them in the middle. So a little bit of glue again. Any glue that you can see like that, you can pick off before it sets. There you go. Yeah, I like that red and black and white one just as much as my red, black and white one. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave me any questions, if any questions you've got down below. I'll link everything that I've used as well down below as well, so you can find everything. But I'll see you in my next video. Bye people, bye.